Esteemed Mr. President, I have the honour to present to you, esteemed Mr. President, my letters of credence, by virtue of which the Governor-General of Australia appoints me as Ambassador, Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Australia to Mongolia.
Your further works with to develop the department. Human capacity of the government agencies in Mongolia.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. It's a real pleasure to present my credentials to you today. It's a real honour and a privilege to be in a country